Here's a basic training on how to record from your webcam and be very meaningful in terms of your hook and how you display it. So let me share my screen here, and here we are inside the Dubb studio, right in the dashboard. How do we record a nice webcam video that looks something like this right here that's going to make a difference with our hook, with our audience when we send it out? How do we do something that looks just like this right here? You're going to start inside the dashboard, Dubb Studio, and you're going to hit the giant red button at the top, Create Video. That's going to open up the camera here, and hey, here you are, webcam. Now, notice I was holding the whiteboard, right? How do you do that? Dubb app, D-U-B-P-A-P-P, Dubb app. And once you have it, this is what we showed earlier with the screen recording. But again, to reiterate, Dubb app, whiteboard, right at the top, square with person in corner. Once you select it, type. And that's where you're going to put the hook. Because we talked about the power of the hook. You have to have a hook for these videos. Type it, turn it. Very straightforward way to deliver a hook right here in front of the camera. Now, from this webcam option, you also can do a virtual background. So down here below, you can select virtual background, and you can do your photos or video you can put behind you. So for the your photos part, you can upload into here any screenshots that you have that are industry related that would make sense. You also can drop the videos in here, creates a library for you, and then you can just choose the image that you want, put it behind you, or select the video that you want under video, and it will play behind you or have a static image behind you. Now you can have this just on its own. You can start the video and smile and turn and point. That's great. You also can add your hook. So type it in like we talked about, hold it right in the middle, and this is a nice way to do a combo deal where you have some context in the back, a hook in the front. If you have good lighting in front, whether it's a ring light or natural light, just make sure you're well lit. If you do talk with your hands, I would kind of go T-Rex dinosaur arms, keep them here within your shoulders, do this kind of deal. If you're out here, it's not bad though. Look how good the team did. Like I have all my fingers and thumbs. It looks really good actually. So you could go out here, but I try to keep my stuff all kind of right in here. Now, this recording option, along with every recording option in Dubb, has a teleprompter option. If you have not used the teleprompter before, it is a great way to stay efficient with your words. Why not have the most, why not have the perfect words you want to say that are already created? You don't have to search for them and they're right in front of you. All it takes to do this is a script saved inside of the Dubb platform. Now, when you select above your head here, this is where I could click create new script. If I click that, it's going to take me right inside the Dubb Studio platform. I can save a script right here, save it, and I'm good to go. If I already have a script and I click up here, you can see it listed in here, or you can always search for the name of the script by title, and it'll pop out right here. Choose the script, and there it is. Now, from a physical perspective, if you're about arm's distance away, that's pretty good for an eye line. Let the words flow up into your top line and meet you at the top. Don't be searching for the words. Just take a couple practice reads. Now, if you go through this and you're like, because sometimes when you write something and you read it out loud, it can be a little different. You can edit it. See the pencil icon right here? You can tap this right here, make some changes, and then click save. This is your speed button, which sits right here. It can go up and down between 1 and 10. Play button, hit that before you record. If you feel like you're waiting on the words, it's too slow. And if you feel like you're going too fast, you probably are, unless you're really excited to talk about something, depending on the mood of your video. You also can back the text off or you can zoom it in closer. Now, technically, the more you zoom it in, it's better for your eyes because if you back the text up like this, your eyes are going to be bouncing back and forth. You can almost, they almost kind of going to jiggle a little bit. So you kind of want to have the words a little bit closer, probably within this range or whatever works for you. Now, when you do hit record, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to bring in my hook that we had before. I'm going to hit the record button right in the middle. I'm going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and here it is. Hi, this is Rob from Dubb. We are the sales operating system. We use video automation and contact management to create connections, conversations, and conversions. I can hit the pause button. This will stop the recording and stop the teleprompter. I can hit that same button. It'll keep going. If I want to delete this video, hit that red X button. It'll always ask you, are you sure you want to do this? Which I think is a great button to have. And then if you want to save this thing into the Dubb platform, all you have to do is hit that check mark and it's going to save it into the Dubb platform. You want to close the teleprompter, tap the close button. So again, this is one of the most straightforward ways you can communicate right from your webcam. You got your hook right here. You can do a virtual background behind. You can do a combination of both of these things. And this is a really effective way to break through the noise and deliver the messaging you really want to get through.